Hey guys, today we're going to make some apple butter cookies. Does that sound yum?
Yum.
We made apple butter, our homemade apple butter. So we're going to use that, and this is what we got out of our apple butter with 6 pounds of apples. We got that and that, 2 pints, and then this little thing here, and then I have a cup right there. So that is so good, guys. So easy. So good. So check out that video. Apple butter, homemade apple butter in a crock pot. Simple. Now on to apple butter cookies. So I have 1 stick of butter. Room temperature. Going in. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Into the butter. And then we mix. We're ready for fall. All these apple butter stuff.
Yeah. I'm definitely ready for fall. I've had enough of this 90-degree weather.
This humidity is terrible. Can't even enjoy it going outside.
Too hot to work in my shop.
I don't want all that noise. Let me put a towel on that.
I need a bigger fan in my shop.
Definitely.
Yeah.
He's got one the size of a box fan.
Yeah.
He needs a bigger one.
It don't cut it in that shop.
That sounds better.
They got a nice big 24-inch Harbor Freight I'd like to have, but I guess I'll have to put that on my wish list.
It would be a hard time to get it at Christmas time, won't it?
Yeah, probably.
We went to a castle today, Ravenwood Castle in New Plymouth, Ohio. That's pretty cool. You can stay all night there in rooms. And they have breakfast, and they have a little pub, I think, that you can get. They have dinner, but I think that's on Friday and Saturday. They have all kinds of stuff going, like scavenger hunts. They have a hike, and they have some kind of plays or something, too, during the season here. Even Billy kind of enjoyed it. Didn't you?
Yeah.
Because it was my pick.
It was interesting.
Like, I'd never been there. And to stay all night, it's a little expensive. Like $200 and something. It depends on what room you stay in. And
Yeah, I don't think we'd be staying there.
Yeah. We're not staying there, but it's only about 50 minutes from us, so we made a day trip. Guys, I just want you to know, if you're newcomers here, that this is a safe place. No cussing, no degrading anybody. We're just all about positivity here.
Fun loving.
And we love you all.
It's fun and loving channel.
So grab your kids and enjoy some cooking. You can laugh at me just like I do. Laugh at myself.
Or
Billy
I
laughs
do.
at me. Yeah, he laughs at me.
She keeps me entertained.
Well, you know.
And it don't hurt. She's easy on the eyes, so.
Thanks. Ooh, see? Or he missed that, didn't you? Hey, you heard it. All right, we got that all mixed up. Now we're going to put in our 1 cup of apple butter. The star of the show.
Look at that. Liquid gold.
Look at that. Woo.
Yummy stuff.
And 1 egg. You know, this recipe didn't call for vanilla, but I think I might put some in there.
Oh, I think I would.
Just because.
Because, you know, a chance to try out that new vanilla.
I know. It's our new vanilla that we made a year ago. Friday. So, and we finally get to use it. So now we want to use it. It's bourbon vanilla, not with the vodka. It's bourbon. So we made both. We made 3 different kinds. As a matter of fact, there's a video on that one too if you want to go watch that one. Homemade vanilla. We used bourbon in some, rum in some, and vodka in some.
Let us know if anybody's ever had applesauce cookies. I never have.
Apple butter.
Apple butter cookies, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I've never had them that I know of. I may have had them at a church function or something, but didn't know what they were.
All right, let me get the I got stuff all over me because that's what I do.
You good at it.
I put the vanilla in our old Watkins bottle, but it is our homemade vanilla. So.
Smell good?
Mm-hmm.
It's a year old, so it should be really good.
Yeah, my brother, I gave him one, and he started using it like a couple months ago, and he put it in pancakes, and he said, oh my gosh, those were the best pancakes he ever ate. He said, I don't know if it had to do with the vanilla or something else he did, but he said, I think it was the vanilla. Of course it was.
Well, yeah.
So I have
had to be.
2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it for this, guys. So simple. I love these simple few ingredient recipes, cookies. And then we're going to make a little glaze for the top. So.
Oh, I can smell that. Ah, it smells good.
You'd be like, I know it's late, but I think I'm going to have one. We're old, so we don't like to eat after 5.
Yeah, that's after 6 already. We're trying to eat just once a day. No snacking after that.
But it's hard now when I'm doing the channel.
I know. Because you got to test these. As long as you don't eat 12 of them, that's okay, I guess.
Yeah. All right. I got my parchment paper lined pan here. And my big tablespoon scoop. The thing would make it better is maybe if you put in some...
What do you bake those at?
350. I got it preheated for 10 to 12 minutes. Is it not preheating?
I don't see it on. I think you forgot to preheat.
I hit the one button, but I didn't hit the other one. Oh, well. I guess we're going to put them in and wait till that gets preheated, and I'll tell you how long and show you when we take them out. All right, guys, I finally got my oven preheated and got these baked. It took 12 minutes in my oven. Look at them, how beautiful those look. They got little cracks in them starting. I love that. So they're still hot. They've been on the baking sheet for about 4 minutes or so. So we're going to take them. Ooh, see, they're a little brown on the bottom, so that's perfect. And that took 12 minutes. And also, I made some glaze. And with the glaze, I just used the apple butter that I made, some apple cider, and powdered sugar. And just till it gets to the consistency that you want. I don't want an icing, I just want a glaze so I can just pour it over top of it. So good.
My mouth's watering.
We're going to wait till these cool down and then we'll do a taste test for you. All right. They cooled down enough that I think I'm going to taste it now. Put a little drizzle of our icing on there. Whoops. All right. Now comes the fun part. I'm trying to tear it apart. It's not working very well. I didn't want to mess it up too bad. There's what we look like on the inside.
Well, they smell good.
That cinnamon and the apple butter tastes like fall, y'all. So good.
It must be good. You shoved it all in there.
Not all of it.
All that half.
So good, guys. I hope you give it a try. I got 2 more sheets of them. So I got one done cooling, one in the oven. So now we wait for them all to cool and ice them and put them away in Billy's belly.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe, please. And
Say
help
it
us
again.
grow. Yeah, easy for me to say. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
all right, guys. Peace out. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.